Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Style by UC. In today's video I'll be showing you on how I made this beautiful necktie from start to finish. So if this is something you like to learn, please stay back and watch the process. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. So this is the long piece I have cut out for this necktie. The length is 30.5 inches and the width is 7 inches. So from this part you go down by 7 inches. From this side just go down by 7 inches and mark it with your chalk. Then you are going to place a straight ruler this way in a slant form, and you are going to slant it this way. Going to slant it to meet with the 7 inches mark, and after this I'm going to cut it out. So after you are done cutting it, you are going to fold it this way and form a triangle, and you are going to stitch on it this way, this part. So I'll stitch and come back. After you are done stitching on it, you are going to give it a good press, turn it out and press it down this way. So after ironing it, you are going to fold it this way, making sure that that tip is equal, and you are going to have something like this. You will notice that there is excess on one part. Just leave it slanted and stitch on it with 1/2 inch, then cut out the excess. I'm done stitching on it. I will turn it to the right side. Then you have something like this. See the way I've turned it out, making sure that the seam part is in the middle. Then I'm going to iron it down. As you can see, I'm done ironing. This is what it looks like after ironing on it. So I will cut out the second piece. This is the second piece I cut out. The length of this second piece is 29.5 and the width is 4 inches. So I'm going to be joining these two pieces together this way. So I'm done joining on it, and you have something looking this way. So from that tip I'm going to mark 1.25. I will mark 1.25 all the way down to meet the original seam on this first joining. Then on the tip you are going to slant it this way. Just mark it slant. So this is what it looks like. From that slanted part you are going to sew it all the way down. I'm done sewing on it, so I will trim off the excess part. So after I'm done trimming it out, I'm going to turn it to the right part. I'm done turning it to the right part, as you can see. So I'll give it a good press, then I'll wear it on my mannequin so you can see the outcome. So this is it on my mannequin, as you can see. And I have another version of necktie. This is the second type of necktie. This one comes with an elastic, as you can see, and it's very easy to wear, and I think I prefer this type because it's very easy to wear. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Thanks for watching.